Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss NTA test of NEET quiz number 1. Now in this molecule we have to find correct IUPAC name of the compound. Now this molecule is having both CHO group and amide group. According to priority criteria, CONS2 is having higher priority than CHO. So CONS2 is given first number. Now principal chain must contain multiple bond with maximum number of carbon atom. Now if carbon containing function group is present as substituent, then normally its carbon is not included in main chain. But in case of aldehyde, we can include carbon of CHO group. So name of the molecule is 6-oxo and at second carbon methyl is present. So methyl is having higher priority than oxo. So name of molecule 2-methyl, then 6-oxo, hex 3-enamide. So correct answer is C, 2-methyl 6-oxo hex 3-enamide. In this question we have to find product of hydration reaction when 2-phenyl-propene. Now propene, so total 3 carbon, at second carbon phenyl is present. So this molecule on acidic hydration form carbocation first. Now this carbocation is resonance stabilized. Now water molecule will act as nucleophile, donate pair of electron. So finally H positive will remove and it will convert it to 1, 2, 3 2-phenyl propane 2-ol, and hence correct answer is A, 2-phenyl 2-propanol. In this question again we have to find correct IUPAC name. Now double bond and triple bond both are present, and if double and triple both are present, then we have to decide priority according to lowest set of locant rule, and if numbering is done from right side, then substituent is present at second carbon, while if numbering is done from left side, then ethyl substituent is present at third carbon. So numbering must be done from right hand side 6, 7 and 8 carbon chain. Now methyl is present at second carbon, at 6 carbon ethyl is present, but according to alphabetical order ethyl should be written first. So 6 ethyl, 2 methyl, 8 carbon are present, so oct, 5 ene and 3 ine. Now ene must be written before ine according to alphabetical order, and hence correct answer is 6 ethyl, 2 methyl, 5 oct 5 ene, 3 ine. So option C is correct. In this question we have to find acetaldehyde cannot show. Now acetaldehyde is having CH3CO group. So any molecule which is having CH3CO group will show iodoform reaction. So if iodoform reaction is done in presence of iodine and NaOH, now it will be converted to CHI3 along with formation of formate ion. Now Lucas test is given by 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol. So acetaldehyde will not give Lucas test, and hence correct answer will be. Now C and D Benedict test and tolerance test are given by aldehyde. Any molecule which is having aldehydic function group will give tolerance and tolerance test, Fehling test and Benedict test, and this is a mild oxidizing agent, so it will oxidize aldehyde to acid. In this question we have to find maximum number of isomeric alkene from molecular formula C4H8. Now from C4H8 we can draw structure of 1 butene, 2 butene. Now 2 butene will show geometrical isomerism. So from 2 butene we can draw two structure, cis-butene and trans-butene. Now this molecule is trans-2-butene, and this molecule is cis-2-butene, and along with we can draw a structure of isobutene. So 4 structural isomeric alkenes are possible, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find among the compound given the one that would form a brilliant colored dye on treatment with NaNO2 and HCl by addition of alkaline solution of beta-naphthol. Now this molecule is beta-naphthol. Now this molecule is beta-naphthol. Now 1 degree amine on treating with HNO2, which is formed due to reaction between NaNO2 and HCl, it will produce HNO2. HNO2 will form NO positive ion, and this NO positive ion will convert 1 degree amine into diazonium, so it will be converted to N2 positive CH3. Now beta-naphthol act as nucleophile and benzene diazonium act as electrophile. Now OH is ortho-para-direct ring group, and this ring is having higher electron density due to plus M effect of OH. So now this electrophile will attach to ortho position of OH. So a colored compound is formed. Now the color of dye red colored dye is formed. Now this is the dye formed, and hence correct answer is C. Now this is called red dye. In this question we have to find which one of the two iodide atom will be more reactive in SN1 and SN2 reaction. Now this rate of SN1 reaction depend on stability of carbocation. So carbocation formed at this carbon is resonance stabilized, so it will be more reactive for SN1. So for SN1, A is more reactive than B, and this can be explained on the basis of stability of carbocation formed after removal of both I negative. Now rate of SN2 reaction depend on crowding. If molecule is, if I negative is more crowded, then reactivity will be less, but these both iodine are equally crowded. If electron withdrawing groups are present at beta position from the leaving group, so electron withdrawing group increases rate of SN2 reaction. Now at beta position unsaturation is present, and hence again A will be more reactive than B for SN2, and this can be explained on the basis of electron withdrawing behavior of double bond present in the molecule. In fact, allylic iodide is more reactive for both SN1 and SN2. So A will be faster both in SN1 and SN2 reaction, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid is used for. So 2,4, now this is structure of two phenoxyacetic acid. Now at second and fourth position chlorine is present, so this molecule is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Now this compound is used for herbicide, so you will have to learn this question, and correct answer is C. In this question we have to find the fermentation of starch to give alcohol occurs mainly with the help of. Now starch is polymer of glucose. Now glucose in presence of zymase enzyme, which is present in yeast, converted to ethanol, and along with ethanol carbon dioxide gas is released. So this reaction takes place in presence of Zymase enzyme, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which one of the following is nucleophilic addition reaction. Now in first reaction, when ethyl chloride is treated with NaOH, now OH negative act as nucleophile and it will replace Cl negative. So this reaction is example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now this is example of SN2 reaction. So this is not correct answer. Purification of acetaldehyde by NaHSO3. When acetaldehyde is present with some impurities, now on reacting with NaHSO3, it will form sulfonic acid salt, and this salt is insoluble in aldehyde ketone, and now this reaction takes place via nucleophilic addition reaction, and hence correct answer is B. Alkylation of anisole. Now this reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction, which is actually electrophilic substitution reaction. Now this molecule is anisole and its alkylation is done by alkyl halide in presence of AlCl3. So now this product is formed, and this is electrophilic substitution reaction. Now decarboxylation of acetic acid. Decarboxylation of acetic acid is example of decomposition reaction in which carboxylic acid in presence of NaOH gets converted to alkane plus Na2CO3, and hence correct answer is nylon 6,6 and polythene are example of. So nylon 6,6 is made via condensation process when 6 carbon containing acid and 6 carbon containing amine is treated, then after removal of water molecule it will convert to nylon 6,6. In this molecule acid is also having 6 carbon, amine is also having 6 carbon, and hence this is called nylon 6,6. Now polyethylene is addition polymer. Polyethylene, on hitting n number of molecule, it will polymerize to polyethylene. Now this is condensation reaction. First reaction is condensation and second reaction is addition reaction. So copolymerization, biomolecule, and addition polymerization, no, this is copolymerization but not biomolecule. Condensation polymerization and copolymerization, no, this is not copolymerization. Copolymerization means both monomers should be different. So first reaction is copolymerization, while second reaction is not copolymerization. Condensation polymerization and addition polymerization respectively. Now correct statement is C. Correct answer is C.